Hi, how are you today? Join me and let us unbox my Coach Sydney SATCHEL bag. Pink color is not my favorite, but my husband decided to give this bag to me. How sweet! This cutie bag has one pocket inside where you can put your jewelry or coin purse or any small thing that you want to go with. The things that can fit into this bag is the key and the keys, sunscreen, face powder, smartphone, earphone, alcohol, and a big wallet. No, just kidding. This is too much. And also a lipstick. Way to go, darling. Long wallet size no longer fit to this bag, so just bring your coin purse. Alright, thank you for your patience and thank you for watching. I hope you can decide and consider this bag to be one of yours. Thank you.